Hi everybody, this is Mr. Dyce with your Science Weekly Update. And we're almost to the end of our first grading period, which means that you're in middle school for 6th graders. For the first time, you're gonna be done with a 9-week period, the first quarter, okay? And we're racking up on grades and so on. All right, so I want to highlight a book that we use in class for some time now. Sciencesaurus is a very good book. It's unique because of its succinct and very good summary of concept, okay? It's very, very good for science. There's a math one also that I normally use when I was teaching math. But for right now, it's science. And if you see, Albert Einstein is right there, you know, as usual. Okay, now we just finished minerals, and then we looked at everything about minerals, all the way to the properties of minerals, how to identify minerals. And then we have a few minerals right here. I'm going to highlight just one of them. This is calcite. This is what calcite looks like. And then fluorite, this is fluorite right here. Okay, looking like fluorite. Okay, but we also have rocks to complete, and this week we're focusing on rocks. And this right here is our rock cycle. And if you look right there, you'll see the rock cycle moving from one to the next and to the next, from sedimentary or sediments to metamorphic and to igneous rocks. Okay, and the cycle continues and continues. Okay. What I also want to highlight is the fact that we're going into rocks. We're going to look at not just the rock cycle, but the composition of each rock, the rock type. All right, like sedimentary rock. What is the composition? Metamorphic rock and igneous rock, how they are formed, the composition. I want to also highlight this right here. This is our rock collection, and if you look very closely on the chart right there, you'll see some of those. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. We'll check that video in a little while. I want to highlight a few of them though. This is one of our rock type right here. It's called pumice and pumice or pumice, depending on how you pronounce it. It looks like this. Okay, it looks just like that. Almost looking like one of those from the moon, like a moon rock. All right, this one right here is sandstone. This is sandstone right there. Boom, boom, boom. Kind of vague. All right, and then you have another one right here. This is one of them that we looked at in class. It's known as a rhyolite, and the rhyolite is one of the kinds of igneous rock, and the rhyolite is an extrusive rock, okay, extrusive igneous rock. So this one is a rhyolite right there. Looks like your ordinary rock that you might see outside and you walk on it is a rhyolite. And then this right here is also another sandstone. So you have various looking ones looking like this. It's very, very layery. You can look on it, it has some little layers on there like the Grand Canyon, okay? So those are different rocks. We're going to explore some more this week. So this week we're focusing on rocks. There's one thing though that I want you guys to pay attention to is not just the rocks moving from one type to the next in the rock cycle, from sedimentary to metamorphic to igneous and back again and so on, and you can cut between. But also the flow of energy. From one rock type to the next, okay? Want to make sure that you're paying attention to the flow of energy also. Just like when you have a food chain or a food web, and you look at the flow of energy from one organism to the next, we do have a flow of energy in terms of rock cycle flowing from one to the next, okay? Basically, that's what we're going to do today. Looking at rock formation, rock cycle, and the flow of energy through them. And then you have there's a benchmark assessment coming up, and also your weekly quiz, okay? Hoping to see your smiling faces every day, and I'm going to get Talking Science with Mr. Dyce up and about. Again, we have a new video coming up soon, okay? Stay tuned. and make sure that you're ready for school every single day, that you're here with your pencils and notebooks ready, and also your mind is on, that you're ready for learning. All right, guys, have a great week. See you soon. Okay, have a great week. Bye.